Imagine standing at the edge of a vast opportunity. It's a crisp morning, and you're about to take that first uncertain step toward your dream, one small action that can change your entire life. My name is James, and today I want to share with you a simple truth. Every great achievement begins with just one step. I once met a man named David. At 35, he was stuck in a job that left him drained, dreaming of something more, yet paralyzed by fear and the weight of self-doubt. David's mornings started before dawn, filled with the hustle of daily routines, leaving little time for dreams. He felt invisible in a world that rewarded speed and certainty. One rainy morning, as David sat sipping his coffee, he recalled a childhood memory of running freely in a summer field, chasing endless possibilities. That memory sparked something inside him, a desire to reconnect with his passions and a belief that maybe he could rebuild his life one small step at a time. David decided that day to take just one step. Not a giant leap toward a new career or a complete life overhaul, but a single, intentional action. He enrolled in an online course in digital marketing, a subject he'd always been curious about. That first step wasn't easy. Balancing work, family, and fear of failure was daunting. But every evening after a long day, David committed a quiet hour to learning something new. It wasn't an immediate transformation. At times, the material was challenging. At others, self-doubt crept back in. However, as the days turned into weeks, David noticed something remarkable. He felt more confident. His perspective began to shift. What had once seemed like an insurmountable wall was now a series of small, manageable steps. Each lesson learned, each page read, and each practice exercise completed brought him closer to his dream. Before long, David's life transformed. He was no longer shackled by routine or fear. His new skills opened doors. He landed freelance projects that tested and honed his abilities. With each success, his belief in the power of one step grew stronger. David learned that every monumental change starts with a tiny decision, a commitment to try, to learn, and to keep moving forward even when progress feels slow. The real transformation wasn't just in his career, it was in the way he saw himself. David discovered a mindset where challenges became opportunities. He realized that turning dreams into reality wasn't about making one big leap. It was about choosing to move forward, one step after another, even when the destination wasn't yet visible. So, if you're standing at a crossroads today, feeling overwhelmed by the magnitude of your dreams, remember David's story. Remember that every goal, every dream, even those that seem far-fetched, can begin with a simple act, taking one step. Today, I challenge you to commit to that step. Whether it's signing up for a course, reaching out to a mentor, or simply writing down your vision, take that first small action. It might seem insignificant at first, but it is the spark that will ignite a journey of transformation. Your dreams are not unreachable fantasies. They are waiting for you to dare to take that first step. Let the power of one step change your life, and watch as each step paves the way to your reality. Thank you for listening, and remember, the journey to a better tomorrow starts today, one step at a time.